pag-ibig ng mag-asawa ay hindi pakiramdam lamang. Nakakatakot kung iti pakiramdam lamang sapagkat nawawala at naglalaho ang pakiramdam. Ito'y isang desisyon.
Life's not hard when there's nothing to do. Not hard to trade it all for you.
Ngayon, magkaharap na tayo sa Diyos. I promise to be a good husband. Hindi na ako magre-reklamo.
Shoes pa lang yan, ha?
It's not hard to trade it all for you. We all need somebody who loves everybody.
At ngayon, kayo ay magdidesisyon na kayo ay magmamahalan sa isa't isa bilang mag-asawa.
We all need somebody who loves everybody. And everybody we just love somebody. We all need somebody who loves everybody. And if everybody we just love somebody. We all need somebody who loves everybody. And if everybody we just love somebody. We all need somebody who loves everybody. And if everybody would just love
Paninindigan ninyo
somebody.
ang inyong pagiging mag-asawa. Kayo ay manatili sa pag-ibig